My Patio Oasis, Story 1. Welcome, Miss Sassy Pat. Hello everyone. Welcome to my Patio Oasis. I'm growing my own food this year. This is cilantro, and then beside it I'm trying to grow peppers, two kinds of different peppers. I thought it would be fun to give it a try, to grow my own food. I don't have a backyard, so I'm doing everything on my small patio. I did some marigolds because I have a lizard that's on my porch, and so marigolds is supposed to be a deterrent. And here's a beautiful pink flower. Above here is a strawberry plant, and it's finally coming in. I bought this in March. I think I bought it too early because it did not look like it was going to make it, but with a lot of love, and it's getting warmer where I live, it's starting to flower and just looks so beautiful. Here is a flower that I sprinkled some seeds, and I got these seeds from the Dollar Tree. And here's my lavender plant. I repotted it. I just think it needs some more time to fill out. And I have some basil right here. So beautiful, and this basil smells so wonderful. And then here is some more plants that I just sprinkled some seeds into a container. This is my yellow squash. I got this plant from Lowe's, and it's growing so big so fast. Marigolds. This is spinach, even though it's not looking so well. I think I need to repot this plant. And on this other side I also have some green zucchini, and this is some okra. I'm so excited to start my journey of trying to grow some of my veggies and fruit and herbs. So come back. This is story number 1, and I'll have some more great videos. Plants. All plants were purchased at Lowe's for $3.33 each when they were on sale. Seed package were purchased at the Dollar Tree for 25 cents each. Marigolds purchased $1 each. Petunias purchased at Lowe's for $2.50. Thank you for watching my Patio Oasis Story 1. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video.